This designer patio sofa retails for just about $4,500. So I built my own for a fraction of the cost. First, I have to mention the obvious difference. The store-bought version is made from teak, and mine is made from the cheapest lumber I could find at the lumber store. So now let's get to the cost breakdown. For the lumber, I went to Lowe's and bought 11 2x3x8s at $3.25 each for a total of $35.75. 6 1x6x8s at $13.84 each for a total of $83.04. For the cushions, I went to patiohq.com. I ordered one large cushion for $253.25 and two back cushions for $70.25 each. The stain and rubber feet came from Amazon for $52.98. It all added up to $565.52, which is just about $4,000 cheaper than the store-bought version. Now let's take a look at how I built this. I started out by designing in SketchUp, and the file is available in the description if you want to use it to get the exact measurements to make your own. Begin measuring and cutting montage now. I got all my boards cut down to size. If you want to know the exact dimensions, I put a link to a SketchUp file in the description. So look for that there and you can get all the dimensions, exact sizes. Up next, I'm gonna have to drill dowel holes in all of these so we can start putting this thing together. So let's get that done. So now that it's all glued together, I'm going to hit it with an orbital sander with some 220 grit sandpaper. In a previous video, I made this side table, and somebody in the comments suggested that I use a pre-stained wood conditioner to give it a more even finish. So we're gonna go ahead and give that a try, and then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the stain after that. So let's get to it and see how it turns out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.